All right, in this video, we're going to practice our words this week that all have a long A pattern. And in our sort, we talked about how the long A sounds can come at the beginning of a syllable in a word, at the end of a syllable in a word, and at the end of a word with lots of syllables. But really, the big idea is that all of our words have a long A sound. We're also going to practice the sight words in this video. Let's go ahead and do the words that have the A sound at the beginning of a syllable. So let's try the word maybe. Maybe. Maybe you'll get your test correct if you study at home. Maybe. It should look like this. We have a m sound. We've got our long A, and he's hanging out with a Y in this word. They come together to make the A sound. And then we've got our ending B. May be. Go ahead and erase. Let's try the word crayon. Crayon. We have a lost crayon in the missing pieces box. Crayon. It should look like this. We've got CR to make the cr sound. And then again, we've got an A that's hanging out with a Y. Cray. The ending of this word is kind of tricky. We have an on at the end. Crayon, it looks like. But we say crayon. We have a crayon in the missing pieces box. Go ahead and erase. Oh, guess what our next word is? It's erase. Erase. I always tell you that you can go ahead and erase at the end of a practice test. Erase. Erase. It should look like this. We've got A. Now in this word, the A is not hanging out with a Y. He's hanging out all by himself. As a matter of fact, it's this magic E that jumps over the consonant, taps on the A and says, say your name, and it makes it say A and erase. Let's go ahead and erase. Let's try the word payment. Payment. I had to make a payment on my car last week. Payment. It should look like this. A. Again, our A is hanging out with a Y. And then we've got our ending, ment. End. Payment. I had to make a payment on my car last week. All right, go ahead and erase. In the rest of this video, we're going to practice our sight words. So these are words that don't really fit our sort, but we just kind of have to start learning how to spell correctly anyway. So let's try the word forgot. Forgot. I forgot my homework last week. Forgot. We say it forgot, but it's spelled forgot. Forgot. It should look like this, and it's actually like a compound word. For, and the ending is got. I forgot my homework last week. Go ahead and erase. Our next word is unsure. Unsure. I was unsure where I put it. That's why I forgot my homework. Unsure. Unsure. It should look like this. We've got our prefix un, and then this is the really tricky part because we hear a sh sound, but it's really just an S and a U together. No H in here. Unsure. And then we've got an R-E. Unsure. This is a really tricky word that we just kind of have to memorize. Unsure. Okay, go ahead and erase. And let's do the word person. Person. I felt really bad because I was the only person who forgot my homework. Person. Person. It should look like this. I bet you got this part. Per. And maybe you got this letter. S. And you probably got the end. It's that middle vowel right here that always tricks people because it sounds like an I, but it's an O. Person. We say person, but it's spelled person. So you can remember there's a son at the end of the word. Okay, go ahead and erase. And our last sight word this week is started. Started. The class got really distracted when it started to snow. Started. Started. It should look like this. We've got two consonants in the beginning. Art. in the middle, and then our ending, ed. We know if something happened in the past, we usually add an ed. So you've got art, and then an ed, started. Great job. If you are studying your spelling at home, you made your teacher very happy.